What's up, guys? Saturday, 7:34 in the morning. I woke up and I decided today I am going to make a video. But first, coffee, shower, see ya. Alright, what's up everybody? Hashtag it's not too late to start. Well, I am gonna give it a shot. I am gonna start this YouTube channel and I am gonna see if I can crack the code. If I can make content that makes you wanna watch and makes you wanna share it with others. So I do woodworking. Now, in all honesty, I'm rather new to woodworking. But I want to learn, and I want you to learn with me. So the past years, like 5 to 7 or 8 years, or even more than that, I've been following a bunch of people on YouTube and other social media. It's creative people that I admire greatly. The wood whisperer, Mark Spagnolo, comes to mind. He's a pioneer in the field of woodworking video making. So his mates, Matt Cremona and Shannon Rogers, each have their own social media following. Chris Salmoni makes really cool videos of himself making really cool furniture. If you've seen my promo video, you'll know that I turn wood as well. Bowl turning kind of became my thing a little over a year ago. I saw on one of those nights, just binge watching YouTube, I saw this video called Stuart Batty, How Gouges Cut. A recommended watch for any wood turners. So here's this guy, raised by a wood turner, whose dad was a wood turner as well, and so on and so on. So pressured by limited pay from his dad and high rent from his mom, this guy just goes out and figures out a whole new way to shape and sharpen gouges. It makes him, cut faster and leave a better finish on the bowl. Watching this video, I got intrigued and I started digging deeper, and I found out that he mentored and taught this girl called Ashley Harwood. And it turns out she's no less awesome than he is. She makes she makes a lot of bowls, teaches bowl turning classes and all that stuff. But then she makes these tiny little finials of this, what's the wood? Can't remember what the wood is. So she makes these tiny little finials, and then she makes huge turnings, like a base for a pedestal table that's like, I don't know, 1.20 meters diameter, something crazy. So she's definitely doing really good on her own after learning his methods. So I'll link a bit of their stuff down in the description below so that you can check them out if you wanna. And then there's this place, this house where I'm living. I'm renting this place, but I guess I can, do a bit more with it than what I've done now. It's kind of empty. I've been living here for almost, it's getting close to a year. It's 9 months or so. But I figure I can do a bit more with it than what I've done already. So I want to, just decorate the place, just make it my own, make it my home. And I want to take you on that journey. I want to make videos on the projects that I'm going to be doing. In the house, in my shop, whatever I'm doing, I'm going to just try and make good content, make videos, make something interesting out of it. And that takes me to my shop. My shop looks like shit right now. If you've seen the promo video, it's not presentable. It just doesn't film really nice. So that is a big thing for me, is to make my shop really nice, like really nice. So recently I found this guy on YouTube. He's called Peter McKinnon. This guy, if you don't know, he's a videographer, a photographer, and just seems like all around a good guy. but then he just creates this awesome content on YouTube. He just keeps pushing content. He keeps making awesome videos. Now this guy has years and years of experience in video making that I don't have, but I'm a huge fan, and I really want to incorporate a lot of his methods and ideas into my videos. But that's gonna take some time. I'm gonna practice and practice and practice and try. I'm gonna try. All right, just follow along here. But the thing is, he meets up with a lot of cool people as well. He collaborates with different artists around the world. So one of these people is a guy that has a channel on YouTube called Little King Goods. I'm gonna link that as well because you need to check that out. That's good content. So this guy makes fine ass leather goods. Now he, kind of just like me, found his passion and started a business. He started making leather goods for a living, evolved from some previous experience in photography and videography, and he recently upgraded his shop, and it just looks meticulous. So that's something that I want to go after. Make my shop absolutely meticulous. Make it just presentable. All right. So in my current situation, I don't have the opportunity to make a shop where I can have like space for everything, where I can have like an office with the computer and the editing and all that stuff in the same room. But what a dream that would be, just to have a shop where you can have everything within one space. Have a little office space for the computer, just to pop a memory card in and check your footage and see that you're on the right path before you spend 3 hours making a 10 or 20 minute video, and then you load it up on the computer and you find out that everything is unusable. So that's a future dream. That's way ahead of me. So I want to dive into video production. And unlike lots of people on YouTube, I have close to zero background in photography, videography, video editing, scripting, talking to a camera, all this stuff. It's all new to me, and I love it. I love the challenge. I'm gonna embrace the challenge. I'm gonna just go ahead. I'm gonna post this video tonight. I promised myself. I woke up this morning and I thought, come on, go ahead, do it. Just do it. So yeah, that's it from me today. Lots more content coming. I got so much wood I want to turn, and I got slabs. I want to make tables. I want to make shelves. I want to make a whole lot of bowls. Obviously, I want to turn massive amounts of bowls. I want to just be on top of my game. I'm gonna just keep going, making videos, making content, trying to break through on YouTube. Let's see where it takes us. So if this video is something you like, it's a really basic video. It's just me talking, you seeing maybe a few clips from the stuff I've been recording for the last couple of months. Everything I'm doing now, I'm doing on a tight budget. My mom gave me this camera. I bought this mic just to be able to record some sort of audio, and yeah, I'm gonna just dive in. I'm gonna just try, just release it out there, just boom. So yeah, if you like the video, smash the like button. Just push it easily. If you're shy, just don't be aggressive. If you don't feel like it, don't don't just smash the like button, but you know, go ahead, subscribe, like, all the usual stuff, you know. Follow Instagram, Facebook, you know, all that stuff. Share it if you please. Yeah. See you around. See you in the next one. I'm gonna be around. Peace. I'm out.